Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about red lipsticks. Red is the most common shade of lipsticks and it is a color that almost everybody loves to wear. It is like an evergreen color that never goes out of fashion and it can be worn almost with all outfits. Yet it is the most difficult shade to buy because there are so many shades in red that people get confused whether it will look nice on them, it would suit them. And when people say, will this color suit me, what they actually mean is, will that shade look good on the skin tone or complexion? So in today's video, I'll be telling you guys how you can pick the perfect shade of red lipstick for yourself. So while buying a red lipstick, you do not want to look at your skin tone, but you should look for your undertone, which is the natural color of your skin, the color with which you were born, and it is present below the uppermost layer of your skin. Undertone is of three types: warm, cool and neutral. And if you do not know your undertone, there are various ways through which you can get to know about it. One is you go out in the sunlight and check the color of your veins of the wrist. If they appear greenish, then you have a warm undertone. If they appear bluish, then you are of a cool undertone. If you're not able to make out whether they are blue or green, like they are a mix of both, then you are of a neutral undertone. The second way is through the jewelry you wear. If gold jewelry looks better on you than diamond, then you are of a warm undertone. If diamond looks better, then you are of a cool undertone. And if both gold and diamond look good on you, then you are of a neutral undertone. And if you are of a neutral undertone, then you have hit the jackpot. Almost every lipstick, every shade, every different color will look amazing on you. Everything will suit you. And I am of a neutral undertone. So coming back to lipsticks, if you are of a warm undertone and your complexion is between fair and medium, then I would suggest you go for lipsticks, red lipsticks which have pink, yellow and orange undertones. These are the lipsticks which have a pinkish orangish tint to them and they're not very dark red. It's like the lipstick has a warm undertone to them. And for those who have cool undertones, they should go for shades of red which have blue undertone. Now I know it sounds weird, blue and red, but these are the dark red colors like cherry color or cranberry color types. So it basically means that the lipstick has a cool undertone. And for those who have very warm undertone, like the complexion varies between medium to very dark, they should go for red lipsticks which are quite dark, like almost maroonish in color. I know it's getting a little confusing, so I'll do some swatches to make you understand better. So first I'm gonna swatch a lipstick by L'Oreal. And the second one is from Streetwear. So this one is the L'Oreal one and this one is the Streetwear. So you can see the L'Oreal one gives a little pinkish tint. I mean, it is red, but you can see a little of pink in this. And this one is also red, but you get a little tint of orange in it. So these are the colors, so these are warm colors, so they will look good on people who have warm undertone. Now I'm gonna use a lipstick from Inglot. And the next one is by Huda Beauty. So this is the Inglot one and this is the Huda Beauty one. You can see the difference between these two and these two. These are really light, whereas these are much darker. They appear to be a little cooler, like they do not give a tint of orange, pink or yellow. Instead, they give a little tint of bluish in them. And one more swatch by Lakme lipstick. You can see this shade, the last one, is the darkest. It is quite dark. It is almost maroonish. So this will look best on people who have quite dark complexion. And to compare the undertones properly for the last time, I'm doing a last swatch by Kali Cosmetics. As you can see, this the shade by Kali Cosmetics, it has a pink undertone to it, and you can really compare it with the cool undertones one. Like pink is a warm color, so it is giving sort of a warm, I don't know, vibe. I really hope the light is not messing up with the shades. I hope you can see that these are the warm undertone ones, then this is again a warm undertone, and these are the cool undertones. Okay guys, so that will be all for today's video. I really hope that this video helped a lot of you, because I have taken up a very common issue. So guys, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.